Etie for Andra me monitor interview be Prophet Nigel Gacy and Kofi Adomawanwani. Na interview no na waye, I think it was getting close to 2 hours. Na Nigel Gacy e kan sem bebre. Na ensem na wakan no ebi etwe madwen eno na me pese yakasa efa wansa na beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no. Eno na da screen so say we ya na latest news bi aba onsa ebeka. Etie for quickly yenko ensem nimu. Aya Prophet Nigel Gacy Eden Sembia Betudwa. I've seen say interview na woni Kofi ye no. Send me din kankan no kan sem bebre. But it is this particular matter and Nkrofo sorry omo atrese womo betwa abono no womo etwa abono. A lot of people are sharing their thoughts on this. Na the me say mebo asem ne so the wakan ye no me read word to word. Na me read asema wakan word to word etrewa na ya hwe emre wo ho na ya hwe commenter Ghana fon so air passing na asema Nigel Gacy wakan and say minister bi no wakan sem bebre na say wakoba some be kai I think last year last year MP bi a ye friend no MP of Ayawaso West Wagon, me fini dinga kra. But Ayawaso West Wagon MP no. I think Tremantie Jako, Tremantie Jako. Wo free mu last year no. Na Nigel Gacy say, "Wo no Nyankopon eyi che no, e ma ne frɛ Tremantie Jako e ka che no." Na waka Tremantie Jako wo phone so na chese Tremantie Jako no. Waka wo no Nigel Gacy say, "Hey prophet, me I'm tired of you guys. I'm tired of you guys. Clear out from my line." And I say Tremantie Jako na kate wono Nigel Gacy and I say ebemu just say Tremantie Jako sebe ni wo ni bemu to say eto de bia nyame yi etro mo but omo frɛ nkrofo no wo mo mba public embeka wo mo frɛ nkrofo no ka tro mo ba nkrofo no they don't hit to what he says. And I was say this year crampo no Nyankopon ye akyere no say minister of state bia wo ye oba e wo Ghana ha say sa minister of state no ne papa eye soja ni penyi bia etifo enye easy na sa minister of state no wone ne papa eda just wone ne papa da just say bia mpa ba ko person na wone ne da just say wone ne papa sebe wo mu bieja na wose minister of state adie we a one ne papa eye no eye feeling collaborate na wone ne papa share say wo mo eye na ende minister of state wa ware ama still kra no wone ne papa eda. Now was say wono Nigel Gacy was sending minister of state in a message. Says I didn't want ne papa ere no. Insunsian so be beba in future. Minister of state no receive the message no. But minister of state name Fino. Atlende ubon say minister of state no read the message ne pan but won fi Nigel Gacy no. Ati ase enti no any asema Nigel Gacy wo de betu dwa nkrofo a ebetwa abo Nigel Gacy no etwa abo no. Say hey una osi say unsura abodi Nigel Gacy nso wa mbodi bia o say minister of state awoyo oba na Ghana say wa odi uti hwehwemu na ohwe the ministers of state awomo ye mba na obehu no say wo mo nhye dan do so science wa betumi addition and subtraction bi na unim ebia minister of state nso sebe the background say oh ebia ne papa eye soja ni a obetumi addition and subtraction so wom na wa arrive at the point. I know their main control, but in some way, and Nigel Gacy what they atuja. Now, me person me read you on Nankasane West. In other say wa will be who say on one can same way. E wo Kofi Adomawan when he show this one. I say currently we have a minister of state. A female minister of state has sexual intercourse with her own father. God revealed it to me. I sent her a text, but she refused to reply. If it had been my earlier days as a prophet, I would have mentioned her name publicly, but now I won't. But later, they will see effects of their sexual intercourse. She's a minister of state now in this current NPP administration. Inti asema Nigel Gacy wakano. Wa will him say Ghana has say nkrofo bi wo ho a wo mo abrand Nigel Gacy as an NDC pastor. And Nigel Gacy kraba abonti e speak against that say no onye NDC pastor because wa share campaign say NPP beba so and NPP so eba so what you say into also no there onye NDC pastor but nkrofo ehu Nigel Gacy as an NDC pastor inter na nkrofo so say sa same way a work and wo share da aka e di egu sebe Akufo-Addo ne administration ne hu fin say Akufo-Addo kra no one of the ministers no one ne papa ene da ene ye nim say saa de no eye musuo kese inti no asem we akoda ne politics as some people are bashing Nigel Gaze, you know. I've seen video from that the thread of announcer newspaper wo trouble Nigel Gaze for enye easy just a word to be about Nigel Gaze enye easy cry for na me pese me ready ensem na Nigel Gaze enye ensem we pen no di tuja but ensem o de atuja no yem se mo ate ase o se minister bi woni sebe ne papa eda na wo mo behu ade a wo mo ye no ehun sunsunsio later but oni omo akasa ba still wo mo bezo me fi no now what you ask was say they have been having sex since her childhood. God revealed it to me. I sent her a message. I know she read it, but she didn't reply. She is married. God revealed to me how she could do away with the affection that leads them to have sex when they meet. I say Nyankopon we ya treno. Minister we wa worry but still one the papa if you didn't call a no shares as we still and that we share the papa and then the crana still one the papa sabi womu bieja. It's here for easy na Nigel Gaze kasa ya no kasa se Ghana ha se yangasa ye ndo ye ho because Ghanaian prophet o hwe se ne Ghana fo ebimu twabo Ghanaian prophet but say we ase ni na won ye ka omo a Ghana ye ka omo a Nyankopon ehirapan asofo Nyankopon ehirapan nsofo no dodo na egu Ghana se Nyankopon amomo a chede pan egu Ghana but because Ghana sabe ye ndo ye ho nti no we don't appreciate our own. But ono Nigel Gaze wo hwemu po hu say hey Nyankopon sa dankrofo so e wo Ghana ha say pan but still Ghanaians destroy each other and only asama Nigel Gaze wo de tuja na etie for without wasting much time no me person be reading some commenter nkrofo air pass on this na you share the general view of this any me dey kan tell no nkrofo bebre trouble Nigel Gaze em say Nigel Gaze there oya one pastor bia de bia wo beba abonten abekase bia no was nkrofo etwabo no I think the last time ye tene nka Lewin ene the manager Zak Nsensem no ati ase ena wokote din kakra ende wasanso asori nkrofo etwabo no etiefo enye easy na wobi ebaye ebedi Nigel Gaze ya tem ani pa kuna sema wokan na eyetia wo se your mother wa yes say Nigel Gaze ne sebe hey asemu enti no ene nsema nkrofo eka obi say I don't support issues like this being said in the public domain but this one there it be only two person Esla Owusu Ekufu hey asemu enti no obi everybody say we there ohun say sebe Minister of State ba kope eno ane Esla Owusu me there may can say Nigel Gaze didn't mention name. Nigel Gaze say nanka incarnated or no Nigel Gaze incarnated na nanka obebo din but one person obebo din but he has given some clue say sebe ni bakono female minister of state and I mean can tell say how many female ministers of state do Ghana have now what shall obenya number be ebia we have 10 female ministers of state ebia one case deputy minister or see ministers of state. It's in Washa, never will say Ghana, ministers of state, Ebia, 20, 30, 10, 2, 3. Unya number Nivia. Now I shame, San number now when you know. In Crawford Bay, I said, Wamo Papanum a soldier for because I see the Papon and the Papa a soldier ni. It's Union ministers of state and no I share. Minister of States Bay and I said the Papa a soldier ni. Now one can away make you conclusion. Wamo Wamubo Dino, Mesremo. Nigel Gaze ambodi bia mama fa asem embehye no me nso ma ambodi bia mama fa asem enyedan embehye me nti wo hwa a lot of people are commenting on this a lot of people are mentioning names I don't know why people are mentioning names that a lot of people are mentioning names we there you say nipa wa akopɛ we there you say nipa wa akopɛ we there you say nipa wa akopɛ na surprisingly enough no akoye say meka say from the video I watched because assembly na me person me take views from other points. It's video I share here from that the Fred no. That the Fred there. One no there was say one no so akwa yes say Nigel Gaze person wakasa efa eye Esla Owusu ho. But that the Fred and boy Esla Owusu din but was say wo share Kelvin Taylor a Kelvin Taylor Endra made news bre wa wono nso obekeka nsem bi efa Eslawowusu ho no akoye say NDC for no wo ma hyeda say wo mo target a particular female minister which is Eslawowusu. There's this perception that the Fred Krawo can say akoye say they are just attacking Eslawowusu. And in turn that the Fred they were bad bontin a we be trouble Nigel Gaze, you know, say Nigel Gaze there. In some I said the wabe can say the seven ingredients are in chasun and just a enkosia sem and only some that the Fred or bekan or Nankasa the West. Will be say, Minister, I can say on authority that this is completely false. You people are disgracing the work of God. How can God reveal this to you? Through what medium? Don't expose yourself again. We men are not the woman. But let me say this. Yes, I mean, it's up to you. Whether you believe everything a pastor or a prophet or whatever, whether you believe everything that person says, it's up to you, mom. Me, I don't know. I strongly believe, say, Charlie, Nipakono, or no, no, say, Yankopon, channel. Me, I strongly believe, say, Nipakono, Nipa, Atia, because some kaya, I think last year, yebe read this year, muno, Nigel Gaze, ebe can say, Kwesi Arthur, Kidi, and Kwame Eugene, they will have a very tough year within 2019 way. Nigel Gaze Babontin Ebeka Sasemno. Now you attest to the fact that 2019 has been one of the best years for these three musicians. Musicians are saying Nigel Gaze Babontin Beka said, well, just said, Omon June to no, a bit to me perform, they will suffer no. Obi Beka said, oh, Ebia, Womobom, and Omukohu Nigel Gaze. But from what I've heard from Kidi, I don't know for a year. Kwesi Arthur, but what I've heard from Kidi and Kwame Eugene, they didn't go to see Nigel Gaze. Nigel Gaze, but one more believe say Sasem the Mbim, and because they believe say Mbim no, they had a great year. This year, Kidi released the album. Aside album, no, or released a movie. He had a lot of nominations. What call just say this year, Pana Kidi or call outside Ghana. What call bought big shows. There were big event places. There were brochure. What you say? So PlayStation Center. A lot of people. We all saw the video. Kwame Eugene so say this year Pan or Kwa Brochi Kobo a lot of shows. Kwesi Arthur Munim. This year Kwesi Arthur has really seen success in his music career. And you know, it's up to you to believe the things or not. But maybe may say last year Nigel Gaze said something like that. I don't know. It could be. So these people no. And what said these people were talking about Kidi, Kwame Eugene, and Kwesi Arthur, no, even if a Yomokra Momo and Bompire and Fanhua, they have strong Christianity backgrounds. Sebe, Womoma memo, Aya Nkrofa, ye nim say, Womo Empire, but in Tiebia, Womoma memo, Aya Empire, Ewichi, Emomo, Ambim. So, it's up to you. But Munche Mwaje, our comment box in Motie for Medase. This is the in Sema Aya Nigel Gaze, what they are Abetuga, Nkrofa, Womobe Chabono, no. But so far, I've not seen anybody actually speaking for Nigel Gaze. I don't know. I think Prophet Nigel Gaze in Angasa, Ayana Ngofu Bepre, and Sheda, and Penasensa because of, I mean, some of the things he actually comes out with. And now say, Yabeka say, Omwa Wamo Penasem, no, they don't actually come on social media to defend him. Like other prophets are who wouldn't him say, Reverend Obofoni Obi Nimne, they have people that said, Wamoko can send now, Nimna be trouble. There are people who will come out to defend them. M say Nigel Gaze in the meaning say, well, no, no, catch them crop for say, Momo take his action now. But that's also good. But Montreal, our comment box in waiting for Medase.